Larry Michael, and then David Martin.
Hi, Mayor Filer, council members. My name's Larry Michael, almost a 25-year resident and working in Escondido. What Ken Lounsbury brought up at the beginning, toward the beginning, I thought was very appropriate, where he talked about the impact that North County Fair had. And specifically, if we look at the same effect that the hospital might have, when North County Fair opened up, then the downtown area suffered for a long, long time, and I know you guys realize that. My concern is that the same thing is going to happen once the hospital leaves and if it goes to ERTC, if they don't do what they said they were going to do. What Wally brought up, the agreement that, or the thing that they showed us at the Art Center for the presentation that they made, looks great. You know what, if they did everything like that, I think that would still make downtown vibrant. But you know what? This agreement that was just put out last night, as my understanding is, there's so much information in there that it's not binding, and that was one of the things that they were talking about. It's got verbiage that says PPH will have we're talking about the office building that's supposed to be built to house the administrative offices. It says PPH will have the West Office building ready for occupancy within 2 years after the conditions of blah, blah, blah. Then it says the issuance of certificate of occupancy for the West Office building should be, let's see, 2 years from the date. Then it says, should the West Office building not be developed? Basically in section 5, I believe, it talks about whether or not the building's built or whether or not the building isn't built. Well, which is it? Either it's going to be built or it's not going to be built. If there's too many loopholes in different places where they're not really locked into doing something, and not having enough time to really look at this agreement, I think, is a problem. When you have less than 24 hours to make a huge decision like this, and development of the downtown area, or at least keeping it vibrant, is such a critical thing. You have to be able to look at this and make sure that what they're saying they're going to do, they'll actually do.
Can you sum up?
I will, absolutely. Just to touch on one quick thing, you had asked about the parking, and I believe the parking, we talked about this at the Planning Commission meeting, I believe the parking that they had recommended at Pomerado was 1.5 for the hospital.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.